Okay, so if you're ever in the situation where you have to rip up linoleum or sheet vinyl type flooring, and you've probably already figured out, like, you take a utility knife and then, you cut laterally in strips and then you peel it up, but inevitably you're going to be left behind with this awful glue adhesive type shit. And depending on how long ago it was installed, it can be like petrified. And trying to scrape it up and even using like fancy scraper tools just doesn't cut the mustard. But I found this really cool trick. So the person who sold us this house had this really weird, random, oddly specific wallpaper stripping tool. It is a one-trick pony thing. It basically works like a clothes iron. But if you can get your hands on one of these from like a pawn shop or anything like that, I don't even know if they still sell them at Home Depot. It's kind of like a 90s tool. I don't know. This thing has changed my life. Like, let me show you what it's like to just scrape normally. And even if you have like a heavy duty scraper, it still takes this long. Watch this. Like, watch how awful this is. All this shit you see is all just like glue and cellulose. And I have to do this whole room. That's going to take me fucking hours or fucking days, right? Watch this. So you have this thing plugged in and it's hot as hell right now, but it's not steaming until you press the steam button. Now it's steaming. So we're just going to focus on one section for like 15 seconds at a time. We're going to take our putty knife. You don't even need a real scraper. You can just use a putty knife. And look at that. It's coming right up. It has to get a little hot, but when it gets like really hot, you'll see how quick this stuff comes up. Like these are, look how clean these came off. I did this right before the video. Yeah, look how fast that's coming up. So yeah, moral of the story, don't fuck around with propane torches. Oops. And, like reciprocating saw, stripper blades, and all those other YouTube things that you see. Just get yourself one of these and yeah, it cuts through this like a hot knife through butter.